up guys, here Anshul Singh and today is my another video in which I am going to show you how to make t-shirts for your YouTube channel or for some other function and all. So in this video I am going to show you a very simple way in which you can order online t-shirts for your YouTube channels. So let's go to a system. So guys, firstly you have to open Vistaprint by Google. Then you may choose your type of font. I will choose this one. Now you may edit your name, URL and all. I will first put the bars down and then I will delete the company name which is written there. Now you may add your logo here. Go to image. I have already uploaded. Now leaving it, I will add my logo. If you want, you may add the YouTube logo or you may add your own logo, that is channel's logo. So I will add mine. Now adjust it to the middle. Now here I will write my channel's name and the URL of my channel. Now I will add the YouTube logo here on front of URL. Now as we have done the work for the front side, now we will go to the back side. And if you want the back print on back side, then you have to pay extra 100 rupees. That is, you have to pay 325. So now here I will write my channel's name and the URL, and then I will put a YouTube logo. So guys, we have done the work. Now we will see the preview. This is the front side, and now both the side we can see the front and the back side. Now we will click on review and purchase. Here you have to review it, then click on next. Again, next you may choose your size. I will choose large one. And if you want any extra things like visiting card and all, you can buy from here also. Now click on checkout. You have to add your delivery address. I have already added the one. Now here you have to choose a payment method. Let's see what are the payment method we have here. So basically here we have the cash on delivery also. So you must choose that one. I will not order this one because I have already ordered one. So after setting payment method, you have to fill the details of your credit card and all. If you want by credit card or debit card, then click on next. Then you have to confirm your order and the t-shirt will be back. So let's see the t-shirts preview once again. So guys, this was it. A very simple way of making a YouTube t-shirt for your YouTube channels. Or if you want. So guys, thank you for watching my videos. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like for this video, share this video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And if you want to see some wines and other comedy videos, you can go to my friend's channel named Sharp Mind and I am Rahul Wines.